Good morning, everyone. So it is 5:30 in the morning. Man, these hotel clocks, they be just like trying to give me a heart attack. Like literally, this clock is 15 minutes early, and I'm thinking I'm late, but I'm not. And I don't want to be 15 minutes early downstairs for the shuttle. I want to be on time because that 15 minutes I could be doing something with my life. Okay, so it's 5:30 in the morning. No, I'm lying. It's 4:30 in the morning, and my shuttle is at 5 shuttle van. And it's cold outside. It's 34 degrees outside, and I'm not ready for winter because when I left Vegas yesterday, it was 79 degrees, which was very warm. And then when I land here, it was raining and it was cold. I was like, oh my goodness, like my body really went into shock mode, like, ooh, like it was like this. Crazy, and that's what people don't understand is like flights in life, it may seem very easy, but you have to go through different weather temperatures and your body's not used to it. Like your body can never get used to it unless you only deal with the cold weather only. Between hot and cold all the time, your body, you get sick. So for me now, I have a runny nose right now, nonstop. It's not something I can stop. You just running like I took a couple Sudafed. I don't think that sucker is working. What's going on? But I took 4 pills. So I took 2 pills 4 hours ago, and they said take every 4 hours, and I'm taking two. And I took 2 pills a few minutes ago. So hopefully, by the time I get on a plane, everything will be good. It's a long day today. So 5 o'clock shuttle. I don't land until 4:30 p.m. So it's a long, long day. I have a 2 hour set. I have a long day today, which is crazy. I got my coffee in, which I was never a coffee drinker, but early morning, in order for my mind to kind of like wake up a little bit, I got a coffee in. I got my cinnamon bun, which I got at the grocery store the other day for $1.99 for in a pack. So I think I'm almost ready. I got my prayer in because in the mornings, man, these people be coming like, I don't know, like they be just doing team too much. Like they be just loud and upset, and I don't got time for that. That after 12 p.m. Like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, too early for that. 6 o'clock, nah. All that yelling and shouting, So yeah, I just upload a video, guys, of these 3 dresses that I have on my website. One of the dress is so funny because I upload the picture on Instagram, and within like 2 hours, one of the dress sold out. It was a blue dress. It got sold out. I tried to contact my vendor last night, and they said they're sold out of that, but they're trying to make some more items. So let me know when they make it. But I do have that dress in another color coming. The blue lace dress, I have that in another color coming. I think it's the wine color, and it's supposed to be shipped by next week, coming to me. So I'll definitely do another video with that new product. But right now I have the black dress and the red dress. I have that in stock, and the red dress goes all the way up to I think double L, double XL, I believe. I'm not sure, but if you guys click on the link, you will see. But yeah, I try to sell clothes that are extra small to triple or double XL for all my ladies, not just not just 3 particular groups, small, medium, large. I try to have different variety of stuff. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll post my pictures up there. You can also click the pictures and make a purchase there on Instagram. Even also on Facebook too, and my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting a little bit more videos. I'll probably maybe put out 2 videos a day. Maybe my clothing videos and my flight attendant videos, like 2 videos a day. I'm trying to do that. I said I'm backed up with videos. But then my layovers are short. Like yesterday, I had a 12-hour layover. So my layovers lately are just been really short. I have to do it a long layover. Then when I get home, I don't have Wi-Fi at home. So I don't have internet at home, only on my phone. And there's certain things I can't do on my phone when I'm doing with YouTube stuff. I have to do it on my laptop. Start doing some more winter stuff. I mean, I haven't done the full winter stuff yet because there's some places that are still warm. So that's why I still have like summer stuff out. But eventually I'm gonna start doing some winter things. So definitely I said subscribe, click the notification button so you guys could be up to date with all these stuff. And I don't order a whole lot or a whole bunch of stuff, but you know, I don't want to keep a lot of products, because since I'm just starting out, I don't want to have like a lot of back products, you know what I mean, like store up and stuff like that. And my storage spot is very small. So, and then some of the stuff I have to ship out. There's some stuff that I send to another warehouse. Like if I'm gonna be away for a long time on my trips, like 4-day trips or a little longer, or a vacation or a little, you know, whatever, I normally send them a message and let them mail some stuff out. Because there's some stuff they have on in their warehouse, and there's some stuff I have in my own warehouse. So that's just to as I said, when I go away on long trips and stuff, I'll send some products to them so they can mail it out and stuff like that. So that's, so some products they have, and I don't want them to have too much products, so I try to sell the products from their side first, and then when they're out of stock, then I send my stuff, the stuff from my warehouse. So it's good to have two places since I fly a lot. The other day when I was stuck, my flight got canceled, didn't land in time to send out some items, and they were able to send the items. Or sometimes when I travel to different states, to also try to go to a warehouse or manufacturer and order stuff from them and get it shipped out to my address and stuff like that. So yeah, just a little bit about my little business going on. I'm hoping to be big. I mean, you have to start somewhere, right? So yeah. I'm about to go downstairs right now to get my shuttle, and I'll talk to you guys where I'm heading today. Tampa right now. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 2.5 hour flight. I don't know if they could cut it down to an hour. That'd be great, but no, they can't. It's probably gonna be like an hour 55 minutes, so we'll see. So talk to you guys in a few. So 2 hours at nap time. All right, guys, so I've been flying all day. Now it's 5:10 in the afternoon, and I am hungry. I have food in my lunch bag, but I heard that there is a Jamaican restaurant somewhere around here, so I'm gonna see if the shuttle driver can bring me to the restaurant, because I don't feel like walking, because the street look a little bit lonely by myself, so I'm not gonna do that. And my makeup is getting bad. Like, I literally been up early this morning, so I'm gonna change real quick and go to get some Jamaican food. Okay, so I'm here waiting for the shuttle, because I guess they're picking up right now at the airport. So when they come, they on a time clock, so they leaves at 6. So take the 6 o'clock shuttle, and they'll drop me over to the Jamaican restaurant, and then they'll pick me back up when they next pick up. But then I was planning on walking, and I was like, it's cold outside. I don't think I want to walk there. Plus, I don't know where I'm going, so I don't want to get lost. That's why I'm waiting. I mean, it's still sunny outside, but it has a little wind. I don't like the wind. It's cold wind. They jamming music. I just wanna be home with you. Do, 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 do. So let me tell you what happened. They forgot about me. Like, I called them, and I was sitting at the restaurant for over an hour waiting for them. I could have eaten my food and everything, and I tried eating the food, but then just constantly have to be looking out to see if they're coming and stuff like that. I was like, forget it, whatever. And then my food got cold, so I was like, I'm gonna have to wait until I get to the hotel and warm it up, and then I can enjoy it. But so yeah, we have rice and peas, plantains, vegetables, and then we have curry chicken, jerk chicken, curry goat, and oxtail. So that is the meal for tonight. Sorry guys, the lighting is bad in this hotel room, but that's what I'm gonna eat right now. So I finished my food, and I had a mango because the mango was going bad, and I didn't want to wait for one more day. And I ate it, and man, look at my stomach. Like, she feels so stiff. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm 2 months pregnant. But I had to go in. So now It is 8:02 and I have a 4:30 van times, which means that my butt needs to be in the bed right now. So I need to take my makeup off, take this weave off, and have a shower. I won't be able to even work out and go to bed. But I'm gonna go get in the shower right now and pray. Pray, because tomorrow I have 2 days. Oh wait, so today we had 3 legs today. The flights were like 2 hours and 10 minutes around average, around that flight time. And then on that 2-hour sit, oh my gosh, I slept on that 2-hour sit. Man, I slept for an hour and it felt so good. Literally, I was out on that 2-hour sit. So I had my blanket cover up or whatever. So when my phone alarm, I took my blanket off, and the passenger was like, oh my god, like they was like, are you on our flight? I said, I don't know what flight you on, honey, but I'm well rested, okay? It was like, I bet, because I heard you over there snoring. I was like, yeah, I was going in. I was tired, man. I was so tired. It was a flight. We had a couple chasers. We had 2 chasers today, and we were on the 320 today. So aircraft. So yeah, that's really what happened all day. With that, the flights went smooth, everybody went smooth, no problem, no drama, no. Oh my goodness, guys, let me tell y'all, know these morning flights, man, these people, they be just doing their number 2 on a plane. I don't know why, but they be just doing their number 2 on a plane. And thank goodness I came prepared for this trip, because I had my spray and everything. But the spray that we use, you can't use any spray on the aircraft, because the fragrance, sometimes fragrances are so strong, and the pilot's not allowed to smell certain things. So because of that, we can't spray certain things in the bathroom. That's why on aircrafts, airlines don't allow people to use air spray and stuff like that on the plane, because there's toxic stuff in the air spray, and it also can cause flight attendants to get sick, and also the pilots to get sick. So I had this spray, what is meant for it's approved for aircraft. So I used it. Oh my gosh, thank goodness for that spray. Like, I don't know if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. So this is a spray I have for the bathroom, and this is aircraft approved, because there's certain sprays that you cannot spray in the aircraft at all, because it will affect us. Some people can get lightheaded, dizziness, and stuff like that, and people have different allergies to different things too. So this is very light scented. It doesn't affect anyone, and it hit the smell real good. So this is what I use to spray the bathroom. It smelled like lime. It smelled like lime water, if that makes sense. Like, you have lime or lemon in your water, and you have that little citrus smell. This is what it smelled like. So it's very light scented, and I had to like spray it in the bathroom, like good time. Like, these people were just going in, and it never failed. It's always the morning flights. The night flights, people don't do that. I mean, they do it, but it don't smell like that. But the morning flights, I don't know why. Maybe because people body is not fully up yet or something. Like, I don't know what. But the morning flights, man, when they do the number 2, is like toxic. Literally, it feel like you want to pass out. That's how bad it be. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow it's gonna be the same thing, because we're heading back to base and we have 2 legs tomorrow. So I am ready. Okay, ready. Yeah. I got this from the airplane, actually. I think a flight attendant left it on the airplane, and I saw it. I was like, well, she ain't coming back, so it's mine now. Tell her, I leave a lot of stuff on the airplane and people take my stuff. Like, I leave like stuff like this, but not this brand. But I leave it on the airplane and thinking I was gonna get it, somebody take it. So they understand. I didn't steal it, just that they left it on the plane. Because they left it on the plane, I know a flight attendant left it on the plane. I was like, well, either 1 or 2 things, this plane is gonna be flying with this, or another flight attendant is gonna take it, which I did take it. Guys, check out my video. I upload a video with 3 items that I add on my online store. So definitely go ahead and check that out. As soon as I'm adding new products to my store, I'm gonna do videos of it so you guys can see what the products look like. So make it much easier for you guys to make purchases. And if you have any questions, you can also comment below and I answer the questions for you. Or you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I'm always on Instagram, so you can ask me a question there. I'm gonna end this video right now, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so.
And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.